today I thought I would do you a little yarn colour review. I ordered two different types of Malabrigo through Lovecrafts the other day for an order I've got to make, and it's two colours that I've never used before, so I thought I would open them with you and have a look. So Lovecrafts, you always get a lovely little bag. Okay, so I got Malabrigo Rios, and I got it in the glitter for a hat that I've got to make for somebody. She wanted a rust colour. It's a little bit darker than I actually expected it to be, but I do love Malabrigo. It's so lovely. But yeah, that's really beautiful. So that's the glitter. Some quite vibrant orange going on in there. So I think that's going to look absolutely stunning when it's all balled up. Okay, so it's that one. And this is the one that she actually chose, because that one's a surprise for her. This is the one that she actually chose. This is Malabrigo Sock, and she got the Forteleza. I think that's how you pronounce it. Look at that. Oh my god. That is absolutely insane. This is for a Cadwyn headband that she's ordered. So I'm going to start this one first, and I'll knit up this and show you sections of that Cadwyn headband, because that is unreal. And Malabrigo Sock is so, if you haven't used it before, honest to god, I know it's not cheap, but it's so worth the money. It's absolutely stunning. That colour is insane. Look at those colours in there. Look at that lovely, all that light green. Oh, I can't wait to use this. So there we go. So Forteleza, if you're interested in that one. And glitter, two very, very different colours. One's for a Into the Meadow hat, and this is for a Cadwyn headband. So I'll start working on those, and I'll show you them getting knitted up in these. That's amazing. Okay, so now I've balled this up. I'm going to come closer so you can see it a bit better. Yeah, I really, really can't wait to use this. So it's balled up, and I'm going to start making the Cadwyn headband with it now. And then I'll show you that in a bit. I don't know how much of that you can really see, but yeah, that might be a bit better. Beautiful. Okay, I'll crack on. So this is the final piece with that yarn. So this is, I have zoomed in quite close, this is a Cadwyn headband, which I'll put the link to the pattern in down below so you can have a look at that. So yeah, it's come out absolutely beautiful. It's got so many different colours in there. So there you go. So that's the Malabrigo Forteleza, did I say it was called? Can't remember. I'll put the link down though so you can see for yourself. And there you have it. I'm in love. I think it's one of my most favourite yarns. Yeah. Let me know what you think.